Okay, AI. It seems like it's everywhere, and every company is trying to figure out how to like actually use it. But it's not as simple as just, buying a new laptop. It's there's this gap between the like all the research happening and getting those AI tools working inside a business. It's kind of like a self-driving car. But the software only works on certain roads. And you need like a PhD to even turn it on. Not exactly um, super user friendly, right? That's kind of where we are with AI. It's got so much potential, but making it usable for everyday businesses, that's a huge challenge, and that's what's being called the last mile problem in AI. That final hurdle of getting these like really powerful applications out of the lab and into the real world, where they can actually make a difference. But here's where it gets pretty interesting. There's a new solution emerging: AI app marketplaces. Think of them like the App Store in your phone. But instead of downloading games and social media apps, you're downloading ready-to-use AI tools for your business. And one company making waves in this space is Lightning AI. They're known for creating this popular open source tool called PyTorch Lightning, which has become like really popular for AI developers. Now they're taking things a step further with their new platform, AI Hub. What makes AI Hub stand out? Well, imagine you're a company and you want to, let's say, personalize customer recommendations. Now, instead of building that whole system from scratch, you could go to AI Hub, find a pre-built model that does exactly that, and then you plug it directly into your existing systems. Kind of like going to a furniture store and buying a pre-assembled bookshelf instead of trying to build one yourself, right? It saves you a ton of time, effort, and expertise. And that's exactly what AI Hub is trying to do: make AI more accessible for businesses, regardless of their size or technical expertise. One of the coolest things about AI Hub is like how fast it makes deploying these applications. For example, a large pharmaceutical company was able to get this complex AI model called DeepSeek, which helps analyze medical images, up and running in just a few days using AI Hub. That kind of speed is like unheard of in traditional enterprise software. So AI Hub is all about speed and simplicity, but it also gives businesses a lot of control. It's designed to work with, most major cloud providers, so companies can keep their data and operations wherever they're most comfortable. And while AI Hub hosts open source models, the actual applications themselves are not open source, which means users can't tinker with the underlying code. This might sound restrictive, but it actually provides a level of stability and reliability that businesses really need. They can be confident that the AI they're using is secure and hasn't been tampered with. I remember thinking, okay, but isn't this just another one of those AI app marketplaces? And yeah, you'd be right. There are a lot of players entering this space. You've got, big names like AWS with their Bedrock platform, and then there's Hugging Face, which is popular with AI developers, and they've got their own app directory called Spaces. But Lightning AI, the company behind AI Hub, they have kind of a unique advantage. They've been deeply involved in the AI development world for a while now, and that experience really shows in how they've like designed AI Hub. It's not just a place to find AI models. It's like a whole ecosystem built to support businesses as they adopt and integrate AI into their operations. So let's take a closer look at some of these other AI marketplaces. See how they compare. AWS Bedrock, for example, it focuses on providing access to what are called foundation models. These are basically powerful general-purpose AI models that can be adapted to a wide range of tasks. Think of them like the building blocks for more specialized AI applications. AWS also has this program called Buy with AWS, where they feature services from their partners, kind of like a curated selection of AI solutions. Then you've got Hugging Face, sharing AI models. Their Spaces directory is more like a community-driven platform where developers can showcase their AI creations, and users can experiment with different AI tools. It's a great place for exploring the cutting edge of AI development. And then of course there's OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. They've got their own GPT store where users can find and use custom-built GPTs for all sorts of things. It's like having a personal AI assistant on demand. So with all this competition, where does AI Hub fit in? Well, William Falcon, the CEO of Lightning AI, he has this really interesting perspective on this. He sees AI marketplaces as a natural evolution in the tech world, much like app stores that revolutionized how we use smartphones. He believes these marketplaces will become the central hubs for accessing and distributing AI applications. And when you think about it, it makes sense. I mean, almost every technology we use today is available through some kind of marketplace. It's how we discover new software, find the tools we need. and connect with developers who are pushing the boundaries of innovation. Actually, this isn't even Lightning AI's first attempt at creating an AI marketplace. Back in December 2023, they launched this platform called Lightning AI Studio, which allowed businesses to build their own AI platforms using like pre-built templates. It was a step in the right direction, but AI Hub takes it to like a whole new level. Falcon sees this parallel between what's happening in AI and what happened with smartphones. Remember the early days of smartphones when you had a separate app for everything. A calculator app, a flashlight app, a notepad app. Then came along apps like Slack, which, brought all those functions together into one platform. Falcon believed that AI is going through a similar transformation. We're moving away from using separate AI tools for, individual tasks and towards these like integrated platforms that offer a seamless AI experience. An AI Hub is positioned to be like at the forefront of this movement, providing businesses with a one-stop shop for all their AI needs. This brings up kind of an important question though, like what does all of this mean for the average person? How will these AI app marketplaces like AI Hub impact, our daily lives? It's still early, but one thing's clear. AI is becoming more accessible than ever.
These marketplaces, you don't need a team of PhDs and a supercomputer to start using AI. Smaller businesses, startups, even individuals, they can all tap into the power of AI through these ready-to-use applications. And this has the potential to be incredibly empowering, allowing people to solve problems and create things that were previously out of reach. Imagine a small business owner using AI to analyze their sales data and make smarter decisions, right? Or an artist using AI to generate new ideas. But it also raises some pretty important questions about the future of work and the skills people will need to thrive in an increasingly AI-powered world. Like if AI can automate more and more tasks, what does that mean for jobs? How do we make sure that everyone benefits from these advancements and that AI doesn't just make existing inequalities even worse? These are complex questions, and we'll need to grapple with them as AI continues to evolve. The rise of AI app marketplaces, it's just one piece of the puzzle.
But it's a pretty significant one. It really signals a shift towards a future where AI is not just a tool for tech giants and researchers, but a force that's shaping every aspect of our lives. So as we navigate this new landscape, it's crucial to stay informed, think critically, and engage in these these important conversations. The future of AI is being written right now, and it's up to all of us to make sure that it's a future that benefits everyone.